BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 53 of season 3. Today's word is aesthetic. It means concerned with art, artistic word, or appreciation of beauty related to classic selection. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word aesthetic. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Aesthetic is spelled as A-E-S-T-H-E-T-I-C. Many monuments built centuries ago are still appreciated due to their aesthetic brilliance. Of course, some of the names that come to our mind are the Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, and the Egyptian pyramids. Can you think of few other such monuments? Listen carefully how we can use the word aesthetic in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The beverages company carried out a survey in the market for a new cold drink. Based on the feedback, it decided to commence the production. The most important guideline was that the packaging must be aesthetically designed. Example number 2 of 8. Messrs. Bridgewater Construction Company received an order for repair and renovation work of the famous ST Auditorium. However, the most important condition was that despite the repairs, the aesthetic looks of the auditorium must be retained. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. Dear listener, have you noticed the strong aesthetic looks of the packaging of beauty products available in the market? The beauty products are meant to enhance the beauty of the customers. So, the packaging should look aesthetic, isn't it? Example number 4 of 8. The students of MKP College participated in a competition for designing affordable or economical homes for people in cities. In addition to the cost of construction, their project gave special attention to the aesthetics and naturally, they won the first prize. Imagine what all you can learn once you enroll with BM English Speaking Institute. English phrases and idioms, business English, sentence structure, speak English fluently and confidently, effective communication skills, email drafting courses, interview and GD success training. Example number 5 of 8. A historical movie that won the award was highly appreciated for the aesthetical display of human emotions. The audiences were really impressed with bright and colorful scenes in that movie. Example number 6 of 8. India's youth comprises of almost 1/3 of its total population. The youth is associated with vibrant energy. Naturally, most of the products targeted at the young consumer are aesthetically or cleverly designed. Example number 7 of 8. Joint families are a part of Indian culture. The senior members explain to the youngsters how to celebrate the festivals in an aesthetic way. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Raymond put forward a few aesthetic ideas related to the beautification of the central garden. These ideas were published by a local newspaper. The mayor of the city took notice and promised to take up the project. Today we learned the word aesthetic, which means concerned with art, artistic word, or appreciation of beauty related to classic selection. Can you frame 3 sentences with aesthetic and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 53 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.